Papu, Kanna, listen here. How to remember the formula, how to recall the formula during exam time. Cuboid. First you should know what is meant by cuboid. Six-sided. It is a six-sided, three-dimensional figures. All the six sides are made up of six rectangles. So three different measurements, that is length, breadth, height. So plane figure means it is only measured with length and breadth, that is side into side. Since it is little bigger than this measurement, then we are call it as length, and this is breadth. Height. In order to make it into three-dimensional, one more measurement you need, that is called height. So it is better to remember the formula of volume. It is very easy to remember. First you should know the basic formula of a rectangle, that is area of a rectangle. Everyone you know about this, isn't it? That is LB, length into breadth. The same way, perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter means what? All this. Just you are circling it, isn't it? That is length, breadth. How many length? Twice the length. Plus how many breadth? Twice the breadth. Length, length, breadth, breadth. That is 2 into L plus B. These are the basic formula that you are studying from lower classes onwards, isn't it? So length into breadth is nothing but the area of a rectangle. Perimeter of a rectangle is twice the sum of the length and breadth. 2 into L plus B. Why I am saying these two is to recall this, to recall the formula, to remember the formula. These two are the necessary ones. So formula for volume of the cuboid. Volume is nothing but area of a base shape. Area of a base. Area of the base shape into height. Into height. What is the shape of the base here? Rectangle. So what is the area of the base? L into B. Then into H. That is LBH. Do you follow? Length into breadth into height. LBH. So LB into H. L into B into H. Instead of saying L into B into H, you can say LB. That is base area into height. Base area into height. Base area is nothing but LB. Then multiplying with H, LBH. LBH cubic units. Isn't it? Next one, curved surface area. Next one is curved surface area. Curved. First, volume. Volume is nothing but while you are pouring or putting something, it will lie down in the base. The whole base it will cover. It will cover in whole base. Then while you are pouring and pouring, it will reach to the given height, isn't it? So L into B into H. Curved surface area. Otherwise lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is nothing but the perimeter or circumference. Perimeter of the shape, base shape. That is perimeter of a rectangle. Here in the cuboid, perimeter of the rectangle into height. For what? Curved surface area. For CSA or lateral surface area, LSA. For CSA and LSA, to remember CSA and LSA, first you should know the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base. What is the shape here? Rectangle. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. You got to multiply this with height. So 2h into L plus B. Otherwise, you can write like this because this is easy to remember, I said. That is perimeter of the rectangle into h. In other words, you can write like this also because studied like this, isn't it? So, 2L plus 2B is multiplied by h. So, this is one way, this is the second one, this is the third one. Otherwise, without leaving out this LB, you take L and B. So, 2L, 2B, that is 2LH and 2BH. Do you follow? You can write any one of these forms. I wrote the same formula in 4 forms. First one is 2H into L plus B. Otherwise, you can write 2 into L plus B into H. Otherwise, 2L plus 2B into H. Otherwise, 2LH plus 2BH. Those who are able to remember this perimeter of the rectangle into height, then you can write like this. Otherwise, those who are able to remember this formula, that is total surface area. How many rectangles are here? 6 rectangles. That is 1 and 4 are same. Then 3 and 5 are same. 2 and 6 are same. Isn't it? So, for one L, B. This is the basic formula I told you. LB. Next one is what? Just you write L and next you write, just let me write here. LB. L you write, then B. With this L, what you have to write? H. With this B, what you have to write? H. So, what is it? Plus. Twice 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Here you can, changing the place, it won't affect the formula. 2 into, understand? LH plus BH plus LB also you can write. Why? You know this formula already, isn't it? Up to this. So, LB is in addition you can write. Like this also you can write. Do you follow? Otherwise, you can write 2LB plus 2BH plus 2LH. Is it okay? Do you follow? So, to make a cuboid like just you visualize the cuboid. You visualize it. Do you follow? For the volume, while you are pouring, it will settle down at the base, I said. For the curved surface area, if you want to paint the surface, outer surface alone, then suppose to measure, suppose if you take a thread, what you will do? You will tie it. So, what you are getting? Perimeter, circumference, isn't it? So, to remember, just you take a clue word thread. Otherwise, painting brush you can have in mind. So, perimeter of a rectangle. So, some students, they will ask, Miss, how can I remember for this? You are saying for volume, it is area. For curved surface area, you are saying perimeter. How I can remember? I told you very well. While you are pouring, while you are putting, it will fill the base area. So, base area into height. When you want to paint the curved surface, then just you are coming around. You are circling. You are rounding. So, just you take circumference of the shape, base shape. Circumference, that is perimeter of the base shape. Just you recall this, you keep it in mind, then very well you will be able to say the formula without saying. Just you see, volume of the cuboid, base area into height, curved surface area of a cuboid. What I told you? Base perimeter into h. Otherwise, you can write like this also. I said 2h into L plus B. Otherwise, 2LH plus 2BH. Total surface area is nothing but 2 into LB plus LH plus BH. Otherwise, 2 into LH plus BH plus LB. Do you follow? So, those who are unable to remember this, many students very well easily they are remembering this formula since it is total surface area. So, with this, what you have to leave it out? LB. You remove this LB, you see the same formula you are getting. So, from this, when you are taking 2H, then automatically you are getting the normal form. Isn't it? Do you follow, all of you? So, some of the subscribers and some of the viewers, they asked me to take this the same video in English. So, I took it in English. So, those who want to make use of it, please make use of it. Thank you so much.